Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast easy. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 slices of thick bread. Whisk the eggs, milk, and vanilla in a shallow dish. Heat a griddle or skillet over medium heat, adding a tablespoon of butter. This simple preparation ensures a delicious start to your breakfast. Now let's perfect the batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. For an extra touch, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or nutmeg. Dip each slice of bread into the mixture, letting it soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. This ensures a rich, custardy interior. It's time to cook your delicious French toast. Place each soaked bread slice onto your preheated, buttered griddle. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. Flip carefully to ensure even browning. Serve your warm French toast immediately with your favorite toppings, like maple syrup, powdered sugar, or fresh fruit. Enjoy this delightful breakfast. Don't stop at the basics. Get creative with your French toast. Try using different types of bread, like brioche or challah, for a richer flavor. You can also explore savory options by adding cheese and herbs to your batter for a unique twist on this classic. For those looking to enrich their financial knowledge, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.